Are you looking for a quick, hassle-free way to get a personal loan? Whether you are planning to make a big purchase, consolidating debt, or you simply have a big emergency, getting a personal loan could be the easiest solution. In this video, I will walk you through everything that you need to know to get a personal loan online. And I will share some important tools that can get you the best deal, the best interest rates on personal loans. Everything online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more personal finance tips on investing, getting personal loans, investing in real estate, and a ton of other stuff. Today we'll be talking about how to get a personal loan online. Getting a personal loan online is much faster. It is way more convenient than going to traditional banks. Also, a lot of times you are able to get a way better interest rate than what you will get at a regular bank. So how do you get started? How do you get a personal loan? Stick around. I will be breaking down the process step by step. I will also share some free tips that can increase your chances of getting approved. But most importantly, I will share a very good tool that can help you make that decision. It will help you compare prices, compare interest rates, compare monthly payments, all of that stuff in one place. So why choose an online personal loan? One of the biggest benefits of getting a personal loan online is the interest rates. A lot of these online banks, a lot of these online institutions that give personal loans, they're competing. They're definitely going to beat your traditional bank. These online platforms have way better interest rates, have way less paperwork, and they are very, very competitive. Also, everything is done online, so it's way easier than filling out a bunch of paperwork at your regular bank. So what are some key benefits of getting your personal loan online? Benefit number one, speed. A lot of these online lenders, they can have everything done extremely quickly. They can approve your application in minutes, and a lot of times they can have the funds deposited in your bank account within 24 to 48 hours. A lot of the bigger banks simply cannot compete with the speed of these online platforms. Benefit number two, convenience. You can apply for a loan from the comfort of your own home. You don't have to go to a bank, fill out a bunch of paperwork, go through consulting, and waste a ton of time going back and forth signing paperwork. You can literally do everything online. Benefit number three, lower interest rates. Online lenders typically have lower overhead charges than a typical brick and mortar bank. This means they do not have to pay for real estate, electric bills, or any of that stuff that a regular bank pays, meaning they can transfer the savings over to you by giving you a better interest rate. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that online lenders approve over 34 billion in personal loans last year? So if you want speed, convenience, and the best interest rates, I highly recommend you check out the comparison tools in the description box below. With these tools, you are able to enter in your information one time and you will get a ton of different offers from a ton of different lenders. These lenders can give you anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. It all depends on your financial situation. Best of all, you will see all the information presented to you, so you can instantly compare a ton of different lenders, a ton of different interest rates, and a ton of different monthly payments. You'll be able to see everything in one spot, making the decision way easier. You can simply pick out the lowest interest rates, the best terms, and the lowest monthly payment with the company that suits you. So it is super easy. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process on applying for a personal loan. Step number one, research and compare lenders. Not all lenders are created equal. That is why you definitely have to shop around and compare as much as you can in order to get the best deal. Here's one of the tools that I have linked in the description box below. As you can see, this simple tool will ask you some basic questions to determine your eligibility. After you provide all the information that is required, you can compare a ton of different factors, including your interest rates, your loan terms, and customer reviews from different lenders. A loan comparison tool is the easiest way to evaluate lenders at once. I have linked 2 of my favorite loan comparison tools in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Step number 2, check your credit score. A lot of lenders will look at your credit. So the higher your credit, the higher your chances of getting approved for a personal loans. But I have seen lenders give loans to people that have credit scores in the 500s. So if you have a bad credit score but you have a good income coming in, you have a regular 9-to-5 job where you get weekly paychecks or bi-weekly paychecks, chances are you will still get approved even if your credit score is not so good. But keep in mind, the better your score, the better interest rates you're going to get and the more money you'll be able to qualify for. So if you are looking to get a $100,000 personal loan, I highly suggest improving your credit first before you make that decision. That way you get the best deal possible. Step number 3, gather required documents. To get the loan as fast as possible, definitely gather all the documents that you're going to need. A lot of lenders will need a picture of your ID in order to confirm your identity. Some will also ask for your latest W-2 or your latest pay stub. So definitely have that handy as well. By simply uploading these documents, the entire process will be much faster. Step number 4, complete the application. Once you have compared multiple lenders, different type of terms, different type of amounts that you can get, you'll be able to make your final decision and you'll be able to pick the one that is right for you. This is also where you can request the amount of money that you want. For example, if you want a $1,000 loan or $5,000 or $10,000 or more, this is the time where you are able to see the terms, you are able to see the monthly payment, and you are able to request the amount of money that you need. Step number 5, review the loan terms. Make sure to double check your interest rate, your repayment schedule, and also check if there are any fees when it comes to early payments. Step number 6, get funded. Once you have double checked everything, you can get funded. A lot of these lenders, like I stated earlier, will deposit the money into your bank account within 24 to 48 hours. And that is it. The loan is funded and you have the money. And here are key tips to help you get approved for a personal loan. Tip number 1, apply with a cosigner. This is for people that have very bad credit or people that do not have a job. A lot of times you will need a cosigner in order to qualify. So if you're unemployed, you will definitely need a cosigner. Tip number 2, pay down your debt first. Paying down other debts can help you get more money and it can help you get better terms. So if you have 2 or 3 other personal loans, a car payment, if you pay that down, chances are the banks will be able to see and they'll be able to offer you more money. Also, your debt to income ratio will be much better as well. Tip number 3, opt for a lower loan amount. Sometimes asking for a smaller loan amount can improve your chances of getting approved. So if you're working a part-time job and you're only making $500 a month and your credit score is completely ruined, do not ask for $100,000. Chances are it will not get approved. Start out with a smaller amount, such as $8,000, $2,000, $5,000, something small. That way you'll start building your history, and then who knows, 6 months later, a year later, when your situation improves, you can ask for a bigger amount. But if you're in a tough spot, ask for a lower amount. So there you have it, everything that you need to know if you plan on getting a personal loan online. By comparing lenders, checking your credit score, and reading the fine print, you can secure a loan that fits your needs without ever having to step foot in a regular bank. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, if you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help out as much as I possibly can. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.